60-minute Thanksgiving, I'm doing the easiest side dish, kind of like ever, probably. I just put some garlic and shallots in a skillet. The thinner you slice them or the finer you chop them, the quicker they cook, like literally 2 minutes. Add any dried fruit you like, and they'll plump while you're cooking up your greens. We're making greens with fruit and nuts. Toast up any nuts you like. My mom even likes this dish with smoked almonds, like the diamond in the can, you know?
Yum.
Some chopped smoked almonds are tasty. I toasted up some hazelnuts. I'm crazy for hazelnuts. So we just toast up the nuts a couple minutes. All the ovens are hot. Just throw them in the oven till you can smell them, and that's it. And then you just wilt in a bunch of greens. I have spinach and I have kale. Wilt it into the pan, salt, pepper, nutmeg, add the nuts, done. I'm going to wilt these greens down. As they wilt down, we can fit more and more into the pan. I just added the nutmeg, salt, pepper. We'll add the nuts last second, and we're gonna finish with a little acidity, some vinegar right after this. Okay, guys, so as I said, once you get all your greens wilted into the pan, you just finish with a splash of sherry vinegar. I use my balsamic drizzle on this. Literally, it's done in less than 5 minutes, and then you top that with the toasted hazelnuts. There's the nuts that go up on the greens.